Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to add custom token and Trust Wallet. So let's get started. At first let's get into Trust Wallet app. So here it is. Make sure you're logged into Trust Wallet. Now in top right corner we can see this icon over here. Simply tap on this and click on this plus icon in the top right corner. Now you need to choose the network of the token you want to add. Now paste the address, name your network. Now name the token. Now enter the symbol and enter the decimal as well. Once you are done, simply click on save and it's done. So this is all. This is how we can add custom token and Trust Wallet. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.